Are you ready to transform your life and achieve the success you've always dreamed of? Welcome to the Great Book Summary channel, where we unlock the secrets of motivation and entrepreneurship. In every video, we dive deep into powerful motivational speeches that resonate with your journey. We provide invaluable insights on overcoming fear and embracing failure, essential steps toward personal and financial freedom. These are not just words. They are life-changing lessons from the world's most successful entrepreneurs. Imagine adopting a millionaire mindset that empowers you to outwork everyone around you. Our content emphasizes relentless pursuit of success, reminding you that hard work and determination are key to unlocking your true potential. Think about it. What could you achieve if you pushed your limits just a little further? When you subscribe to the Great Book Summary channel, you're not just watching videos, you're joining a community of like-minded achievers. Together, we share wisdom, strategies, and motivation to help each other thrive. You will find inspiration from stories of those who faced adversity and triumphed against the odds. Every video is crafted to be visually engaging and packed with impactful quotes that resonate with your journey. You'll walk away not just inspired, but equipped with actionable steps to elevate your business and personal life. Imagine feeling the confidence to take risks and seize opportunities as they come. 2024 is just around the corner, and now is the perfect time to ignite your business motivation. Don't wait for success to come to you. Take action and make it happen. Subscribe today to gain access to invaluable insights on investing, entrepreneurship, and overcoming obstacles. Each video is designed to be concise yet powerful, perfect for your busy lifestyle. We feature interviews and insights from successful entrepreneurs who have been where you are. They share their journeys, the challenges they faced, and the strategies that led them to success. Learn from their experiences and apply these lessons to your own path. What better way to grow than to learn from those who have already paved the way? Whether you're starting a business or looking to enhance your investment strategy, our videos cover a wide range of topics tailored to your needs. You'll discover everything from risk management techniques to the psychology of success. We break it all down into easy-to-understand summaries so you can focus on what matters most, taking action. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an inspiring moment. By subscribing, you're making a commitment to yourself and your future. Together, let's embark on this incredible journey toward wealth and success.